Hello everyone, I'm Cédric Bonnet, I'm launch manager in Danfoss Commercial Compressor. And I'm here today to present you our DSF and DSH ranges and to show you how it helps in the refrigerant transition. From 7 to 44 ton, these two ranges has been fully qualified for high seasonal efficiency with a wide operating map without liquid injection for application of rooftops, air-cooled chiller, water-cooled chiller, for cooling only and for reversible systems. And I don't forget on top of these ranges for A2L our DSH 50 ton, which is our largest compressor for larger air conditioning system. First, let's have a look at the common features and to show you how it's fully dedicated to the next generation of application. Starting first with IDV that we have in our range since 2013 and which is targeting high seasonal efficiency because it's especially good in operation at part load condition. At part load condition, this device opens and releases the pressure, avoiding overcompression and avoiding loss of efficiency. For the same reason, this device helps reducing the mechanical constraint on the parts, which is especially good during startup. And on top of that, this is also good for liquid management, as in case of some liquid come to the scroll set, it opens and releases the pressure. Second device I want to show you here is a schnorkel. This device has demonstrated very good fluid start capability because basically it acts as a suction line accumulator. But this is on range above 20 ton. Also on the range above 20 ton, here is the internal NRV. This device, you know that on large scroll above 20 ton, and now in the coming months we will have it also on medium scroll starting from 7.5 ton. This device protects again the migration of refrigerant from high pressure side to low pressure side, and then it protects your system and our compressor against dry starts. Here, last features I want to highlight to you is inside the box. And here in the coming months as well, we will come with an improved power connection. This connection will make the assembly more easy for you, so that at the end you will save labor time and finally save costs. Now, let's look at the differences in between DSH, multi-refrigerant, and DSF for R32. First, we have DSH. Which advantage is definitely to be multi-refrigerant. R410A, R452, R454. Thanks to that, and because capacity, performance are extremely close, because oil is same, because oil behaves in the same way, it will make for you an easy drop-in solution. Saying that, it means that it reduces at minimum your R&D investments, and that means also that you will reduce the project time to market. For instance, it's also one single range of compressor, which means a very late line customization, and finally, low inventory for you. On the other end, we have DSF for R32, which is fully dedicated and optimized for R32. And its design succeeds to bear the impact of high discharge gas temperature without the need of costly liquid or vapor injection. And this is, for the same platform, a significant applied cost benefit. But to do so, you will need a broader system redesign. That means that the component selection should be different. Heat exchanger, for instance, piping, valves, and so on. And also because oil is different and oil behaves slightly differently. But if you do so, then you will achieve an optimized applied cost, definitely. So in conclusion, you see, you have two viable options. R32, R454, 452, all refrigerants are available on the market to reduce the CO2 emission thanks to low GWP refrigerant. Each case has its own benefits. Now it's up to you to choose depending on your own strategy, development strategy, and based on your time to market target. In both cases, I'm really convinced that Danfoss has the right compressor to support you. Now, if you have any question, we are welcome and happy to answer them. Thank you.